Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already noticed, I got a new camera, so hopefully big upgrade to the channel here. So we're gonna go ahead and be able to get some videos here in the future, a little bit better quality. This new Hero 8 should almost work like a gimbal with the hyper smooth and all that good stuff. So today's video, I want to test this camera out, so we're gonna go ahead and start tearing apart the CR500 rims. So we're gonna go ahead and get the hubs stripped down to just the hubs, how we can go ahead and start sandblasting those. I did start with my sandblast cabinet, working on the frame, as you can see here. So I'll give you a quick view around. I'll have this video coming up soon when I finish the frame. I'd say I'm about maybe a third of the way so far. So I got the whole rear subframe done. And as you can see down here in the tough, tight spots, I got most of that done on the bottom as well. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and start tearing apart this front rim, move on to the rear, and go from there. All right, so I spent all that time trying to get 3 spokes out just so I could do a comparison to my new spokes to make sure they're going to work on the old hub and everything like that. And the thing that was messing me up was they had them marked right, outer and inner, but the inner spokes are actually the longer ones, where the outer are the shorter. You can see they got it marked 199 and 198. So that is the inners and those are the outers, but just the measurements are swapped around. So now that I know the spokes are definitely going to work, I'm going to stop wasting my time on these rusty things, get the grinder, get them cut out so we can get these hubs ready to be cleaned up and sandblasted. So I forgot my little Ryobi wrench, but luckily our Ninja fingers work just as good. So we should have that tightened up enough. We're going to put on some glasses, try to keep our vision intact, cut these spokes out. And you can see how much quicker an actual cutting wheel compared to, I had a grinder, grind wheel on my grinder the other day. I don't even know where that thing even got off to. But anyway, you can see how much quicker actual cutting wheel works. Also with this guard, I can kind of use it as a, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, just like your blade, right? Just like your stock on a saw. Alright, that's the last one. A lot easier than dealing with a wrench, rusty spokes, that's for sure. Alright guys, so we got our two hubs completely stripped down. Now we're going to go ahead and have to clean these bad boys up, get them blasted. Alright guys, thanks for watching that video. The next video we're going to get into the CR motor, but real quick while I'm here on the table I want to show you a little issue I ran into with the triple trees. That bottom bearing was all seized up over the years and was really tough to get off. As you can see, we smashed it good. And, you know, obviously there's this a super weak outer, basically just holds your bearings in place. But anyway, the inner race of that bearing really wasn't that bad. I hit it with a Dremel tool for a couple minutes, hammered on it, and it came loose for me. However, though, I did kind of scar the back up and just buffed and cleaned that up. So definitely going to have to order new bearings for the head on the frame. I'll show you guys one more look as we'll finish sandblasting that soon. But anyway, thanks again guys for watching. Next video we're going to tear into this motor while we get used to this new camera.